What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. During quarantine I got into this new hobby, which is roller skating. Yeah. Based on the title, I will be unboxing and reviewing the new Chaya skates, which are the Melrose Deluxe Amber skates. I kind of get confused with that name. They released it like June-ish, I think. I'm not entirely sure, but it's kind of new. And I got these from the site Pro Skater's Place. I'll be leaving the link down below. They are based in Canada, so I got this in a total of 10 days. 10 days. Super fast. It's huge and quite heavy. I'm super excited to open it. I'm kind of worried though, because it says on the description here, inline skates. I'm not looking for inline skates, I want roller skates. But let's open it. Okay, this is my first unboxing, so please don't hate, y'all. I don't entirely know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna use my scissors to chop this thing. I have to be super careful. I don't want to damage anything. Okay, should I like cut through the side? I'm not even sure. I guess we can cut through the side. Okay, I'm seeing the tiny bit of the box. Does Chaya sell inline skates? I don't think they do. This looks like the Chaya box, so it's not inline skates. I'm super worried about the sizing, as everyone would be when they buy something online, because they want it to fit. Chaya kind of have like weird sizes, apparently, according to my research. Like each style of their skates, they're different sizes, so you really have to look into like the type of skate you're buying, because it might be a different sizing. Yeah. Oh my god, what am I trying to say? I see the Chaya. Okay, wait, I don't. This thing is like so hard because my camera can only go. Okay, here, I'm gonna raise it for you guys. So the big reveal. Oh, it's the other way around. Okay, it's here. Chaya. Can you guys see the box? These are huge. Okay, you can see the box. It's quite heavy. So it says, Chaya, it's time. I don't know much about Chaya history. These are my first actual skates, because the first skates I got were just like Amazon, Lazada, Shopee type of skates, so they're like made in China generally. I know these were made in China, but I mean, they're technically better. I've heard good reviews about these, so yeah. Okay, it's not inline skates, that's for sure. It has Melrose Deluxe Amber. Okay, I'm kind of worried now, because the sizing I saw on the internet was size 39 was like 250 mm. Yeah, Mondo, I guess. Yeah, 250 cm. I know it's cm. My foot size is 24.5 cm, but it says that 39 is 24.3. What the heck? Okay, I'm super nervous. Okay, let's open this. I'm gonna slice through this. I'm like super worried not to rip it into shreds. I actually asked a few of like my skate friends from Everywhere We Skate PH about the sizing, the ones I know that purchased these, so I'm really hoping it's correct. Okay, let's open these. I got super sad there. Okay. Whoa. すごい。 This is pretty. Do not eat. Yeah, okay. This, I don't know where to start. Here. Ooh. Wow, that is heavy. And super yellow. Okay. This is heavy. I like the wheels. Okay, let's get it closer. The wheels, they're pretty. It's clean. It feels really nice. This is suede, right? Not even sure. These are called the Chaya Sugar Rush wheels. It's 62 mm and 78A. And it's got ABEX 7 bearings. So, closer. These are super cute. Bolt-on toe stop. It's like, I don't even know what color this is. Blue-green. Yeah, I mean, they feel so sturdy. Like, I can't, you'll hear that? Yeah, that be sturdy. Super, fluffy back boot heel. Yeah, what am I trying to say? The back of it is like very cushioned. Okay. It really says 24.3. Why is it like that? See, their sizing is so weird. And another post I saw, it was like, it's $250 for size 39. I'm so confused. Oh, I'm super worried. But yeah, the super cute. Okay, let's take out the other one. Here, another one of those things. Okay, let's take it out. So pretty. I really like the color yellow, so I may be biased. Okay, why did I smell it? It smells rubbery. They're super like bulky at the front. See? Okay, I'm just showing you guys. Let's put on some socks. I got my Pikachu socks here. Please wish me luck. Fingers crossed. They are just the right size. I mean, the last I checked my feet, it was 24 something. So maybe I'm less than 24.5. Okay, but look at my cute socks. Pikachu. Okay, it's the moment of truth. What's that? Oh! Okay, this is just, it feels right. It feels about right. Okay. That feels good. I don't even know which side of my foot is bigger or smaller. I think it's my left foot. I think it's my right. These feel a bit tighter than my left, I think. They're so pretty though. They really match the outfit. Good choice. They're quite bulky, but they definitely feel heavier than the normal, I mean the usual made in China skates. The only other skates that I have. So I can't really compare it to other skates like Moxies or Impalas, sorry. Okay, let's tighten them. I'm sorry, my camera can only go as low as that. So, you guys can just see me struggle to put these thingies on. The wheels feel super nice though. They're really clean. I like that they're super clean. Do I like pull this super tight? Because they feel tight enough. Okay. And then I'm just gonna hook it to the side. I really like the cushion on the back and like the tongue of the shoe. That's what you call it, right? There's tongue, shoe tongue. I'm bad at these terms. So they don't feel tight on the feet, so I hate when this happens. Where did I go wrong? I don't want to go all the way back, so we'll bear with it. I'm just tightening the other side before I try to stand up. Okay, I'm gonna have like a trial test for this, so yeah. I'm gonna try to stand up. Whoa! I really don't want to get into an accident. Chill. Okay. Oh wow, the heel is crazy. The heel is super intact. These are high. I'm kind of... Okay. These are so hard to move on. They feel quite light though. Okay. I think... Are these what real skates are supposed to feel? So... I'm gonna go downstairs and record from there on my first skate with these. They feel so different from like the China skates, man. It's kind of hard to move with them. Okay, let's go. My dog. So grippy. The wheels are so grippy. Okay, so I'm really not used to these type of skates. Okay, I was about to fall down. The heel, I mean like the back, the support, the ankle support is insane. It's super high. It's not bad, I'm just really not used to it. The wheels are nice. Like it's 78A, I can feel it. The pebbles, you can't feel it a lot, but you can feel it. It's not too bothersome. What can I say? It's hard to do the tricks I've done on my old skates. Like I can do a slow snake walk on those, but now everything is too grippy. I can barely move in these. It's really difficult. I have to get used to them. I'm a bit disappointed over the sizing because it's inaccurate, the one online. I can definitely feel the right to be a bit tighter. I mean, I can still skate on them, but I feel like it'd be better with a little more space. So that's a downside. Sucks. Okay, I'm just trying to do the snake walk again, but it's super hard. I can barely move. So to get used to these if you came from like the generic skates, because I'm struggling a bit, but I get used to it. I hate how this is a bit tight. Yeah. Well, yeah. So that's the video.